Hello, how you doing, folks? My name is Dubem. I'm a front-end developer. Love to code and love to design as well. This is the third video in my series called Package Exploration, where we discover interesting packages for your next project. So today is an interesting one. It's called typo-js. Basically, what this does for you is it's a spell checker. Makes sure that like your paragraph has all correct text, sort of like Grammarly. If you know the two Grammarly, like this is a package that actually does spell checking for you, right? So it uses something called Hansel style dictionaries. We won't go into the details of how that works, but you can also extend it by passing in some suggestions and things like that. But I think the wonderful thing about it is, in the first place, it's a spell checker application. So perhaps you can use it on the back end, on the front end, to like validate, or for example, maybe you want to make sure there are no typos on your website or something like that during build time. You can set up a pipeline for that. Let's say you've tagged some elements in your page for spell checking, right? You can use this package to actually do the spell check, right? So um or maybe you want to build your own kind of Grammarly. I don't know, maybe this could be a starting point. So let's try out this tool. I'm just going to classify it as a backend tool. Last time we looked at the Huey.js package, so let's install typo.js. So I'm going to run burn add typo.js. Right, so based on the instruction, we just need to import it, and dictionary new typo language code, blah 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 blah. Okay, so most likely the language code probably points to um what's it called, the language for which you are trying to check typos for. Okay, so for us to do the check, we just take the dictionary we've initialized and then pass in our desired text. So let's say I want to check for hello, and then I'm gonna cancel the log it out. So let's see. So if I run node backend typo.js, let's see what it returns. So it says false. So if I were to put hello, okay, my battery is low, and run, so it's spelled correctly. So we can try other things. For example, this is the correct spelling for T, so it should return true. But if I were to try TEE, so there's a word like that. Okay, I guess there's a word like this actually. Let's say, let's try this and see. I guess we could also use this to actually find correct English words. Let's say happy, happy. Right. So I think one thing that this, like, one could actually try using this in a front end project, maybe integrate it with text editors like TipTap, and see what you could come up with. Maybe just like bring those squiggly lines under the text when there's a typo, right? And if you look at tools like Grammarly, they actually give you opportunities to add to the dictionary. So like um I think this, it also has like ability for you to extend it if you read the documentation, and it has something in terms of suggestions. So let's also try the suggestions. So I'm gonna copy this and paste it down here. So we want to console out the suggestions. So let me even try happy, because I want to see based on my own example, and let's see. Okay, nice. So it brings in a couple of items, happy herbs. Yeah, that's good. Let's try I don't know, is nothing like fish. Bring fish. Okay, it's not bringing. And let's even see if this has there's any word like this. Okay, there's no word, but I'm thinking it's supposed to suggest fish. But I guess probably the algorithm for suggestion works that way. So let's try fishy in this way. I guess I should have just done something like this. We don't want to keep our code dry. So we want to check if it's correct, and then want to check suggestions if it's not. So let's see. So it's not correct. So it gives us suggestions: fish, fishy, feast, Aisha, dish. Okay. I guess it also has like a library of names as well. So yeah, this is a nice tool. I think you should also check it out. Um, like I gave ideas of how you can use it. You can try maybe using it during build time to validate the text on your website to check for typos, and maybe you can build a front end app that works kind of like Grammarly, you know. But I'd love to see what you would build with it. Leave your ideas in comment. Let me know. Thank you, and look forward to the next video, the next package you'll find.